Hi, I'm Aria and today I will be showing you how to make a giant 3D pen gummy worm. First, you're going to need your paper of your gummy worm, and I suggest labeling it so you know what you're doing. Now I will be showing you how to set up the 3D pen. First, grab your 3D pen box, open it up, and inside there should be a cord for the 3D pen and the 3D pen. Now you will take this part, and that part you will be putting that into the wall or whatever you're using to plug it into. Now you take that part and put it into that hole. Now that you've done that, you're going to want to wait for it to turn green, which won't take long. Now it's time to choose your filament. What I chose pink and white, but you can pick any colors. Now grab your parchment paper and make a decent sized piece for the gummy worm. Now that you're done with that, you want to put it over your paper. Oh, and make sure that if it's still red, you should press the down button on the side of the 3D pen, and then it should start to work, but if not, then just let it sit on the side and then it'll be fine. Now that my 3D pen is green, the next step is to put in the filament. By putting in the filament, you want to put it in the hole below the cord, and then once you put it in there, then you want to press the down button again, and then just wait for it to come out. And then if you are using your 3D pen again, then you should clean it out by putting it off to the side. Now mine's already cleaned out, so if it's the color that you put in, then it's good to go. gonna wanna start shaping and outlining your gummy worm. If you're all done with the first side, then you can start moving on to the second side, and you're going to want to do the same exact thing. Now, if you're all done with your gummy worm, you're going to want to make sure it's not hot, and then you're going to want to slowly take it off so it doesn't break. After you take it off the parchment paper, you are all done. And if you want, you can add extra details.